About 25,000 people in the world die every day of hunger or hunger-related causes, according to the United Nations. This is one person every 3.5 seconds. Along with the lack of resources, climate change is increasingly viewed as a current and future cause of hunger and poverty. Increasing drought, flooding, and changing climatic patterns requiring a shift in crops and farming practices that may not be easily accomplished are key issues. Though the number of deaths are high, there is still a large growth in our population over time. With population growth, there is a need for food. There have already been advances in the agricultural systems with the creation and process of GMOs, genetically modified organisms. This process involves the genetic modification of the DNA within the crop seeds or growing crops with the use of the DNA from species or plants. Plant hormones are signaling molecules that are produced within the plant to control plant growth and responses to the environment. The goal of the Crop Growth Accelerator is to eliminate climate issues and speed up the process of crop growth. The crop cylinders. Each cylinder has 11 holes which crops grow through. Each cylinder could be ideally used to grow separate types of crops, granted the seed distributor is properly set up for it. The seed distributor pushes the 11 seeds through each of the tubes with the proper measurements to allow for each seed to become properly positioned to grow through the holes in the cylinders. The water tank makes use of hydroponic processes. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants using mineral nutrient solutions in water. Though it is usually used without the use of soil or fertilizer, the Crop Growth Accelerator uses the mineral and nutrient-rich water solution in combination with highly effective plant hormones, which create the rapid process of crop growth. The water tank pumps the solution into the cylinder throughout the soil and allows for each seed to benefit from the minerals, nutrients, and fast-acting hormones. Grow lights are artificial light sources designed to stimulate plant growth by emitting electromagnetic spectrum appropriate for photosynthesis. They provide a light spectrum similar to that from the sun and can provide a spectrum that is more tailored to the needs of the plants being cultivated. The ventilation system. The air vents create a consistent and necessary flow of oxygen and carbon dioxide that the crops need to properly grow. It creates ideal temperatures for the growing crops and eliminates climate issues just as the grow lights do. Finally, the power source. The mechanism is powered by solar panels at the top, unless circumstances do not allow for this. In any other case, it is possible for it to be electrically powered as well. With the 11 crops per cylinder, totaling 88 crops, which grow within 24 hours, the Crop Growth Accelerator system is something that will change world hunger and agricultural issues. It can also become an incentive for a more healthy society. The Crop Growth Accelerator, feeding the planet.